go. comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Ching, ching, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then your talking don't matter. Ching, ching, bling, bling, patent pockets. We take the dollar, dollar, can a damn soul stop it.
All right, I'm here.
Hold on your bets, here's where the buck stops. See, first of all, I'm stepping out on my
Last
own.
minute
About time I elevate
issue.
my own throne. Success in my blood, call it homegrown. Puerto Rican testosterone. Power and money got me crazy cocky. No longer need
So
to copy.
I've got
I know you're mad because you can't stop me. And if you wonder
Thinkorswim
how
crashed on me right as I was getting ready to fire it up, so I gotta
making major moves, man, ain't a damn thing funny. Pimpin' hood rats to Playboy
I gotta
bunny.
move my
They see
windows
the-
around. Just bear with me here.
They see it, they see it.
How's everybody doing this morning? Markets not looking great. We'll get to it here. Let me just move some windows around. I didn't want to delay the stream any longer than I already had. So again,
So what am I supposed to do? Roll it through.
make sure
In
that
the
says
pocket, sell them,
Rex.
second hole it through. Ching, ching, bling, bling,
That's
catching
that
cash and
one.
lump. It's a Coro, get a jack, and I'm
Screwed
selling
me
them
up
out my
here a
trunk.
little.
Whenever, whatever, it
NBCs.
takes a shake down a dollar. Must go in that direction, wait a minute, holla, holla. All wants to know where they go, where they winning. A mint and Marshall money smelling
Currency.
just like a mint.
Volatility. Day trade. Watch this. This is the VIX watch list.
If you can't see the money, get your eyes clean with Visine. I need 5 things plus 7 digits at a time. See my children chilling. The best never works. See, we never get the pebbles. They
How's
got
everybody
the
doing
rocks
this
first.
morning?
Fake folks unlock.
Again, sorry for the
I'm rocking. My family Christmas stockings are shocking.
for the late move to get started. I've been tweaking with some settings on the stream, and I think I've created some sort of a distortion. I think I need to reboot the laptop is what it comes down to. Rebooting the laptop is a bit of a pain in the ass. Not gonna lie. So anyway, we'll get there. Just bear with me here one hot second. Metals. Sectors. This is treasuries. This is currency. All right, let's see where that keeps us. Let's see where that puts us. This is metals. This is volatility. All right, how we living? This I can close. All right, as you can see, we're down. We're down a bit this morning, right? Hold on a second. Let me get the piano jazz kicking here. Right? All right. Markets, like I was saying, starting the day off a little down, right? Europe, once again, once Europe kind of gets started, little sell-off there, bleeds into our markets. I feel like if you know what's going on in Europe, you can kind of position yourself fairly well. What a pain in my butt. That one goes under crypto. Boom. I started a little early this morning, just because, yeah, Trey wasn't online. I hope everything's all right with Trey. But I know some people just like, trading with friends, so I figured I'd fire it up. Let's see, Stock Jock's online. But it's early. It's early. I'm about 20 minutes early today. Stock Jock's sick. It looks like. The fuck? Might be one of those kinds of days. How we living? How's everything sound? Appreciate everybody stopping by. I'm here. Ready to go. I need to turn on some music. It is very quiet. Very quiet. All right, I got some music playing in the background now. As I was saying, Marcus want to initially push lower here. Let me get Trader TV fired up here. There we go. Looks like treasuries are going to catch a bid this morning, at least early on. Dollar, kind of flat. So looks like more a domestic flight to safety today. We'll dive into that in a hot second here. What else we got going on? Trader TV, fired up, Jay. Fired up. Get that working. So back to the issue, back to why I was a little late firing this thing up this morning. I think there's an issue with the encoding and decoding of video. I'm trying to make it so that my video card on the streaming machine does the encoding, but the integrated video card with the laptop does the decoding. So just going to require a little bit of moving around as I've kind of tried to get I've kind of just try to tweak the stream a little. Morning, Houston. How are you? How are you? Just living the dream here. Happy 420. If I fired it up a little early this morning. I saw that Trey wasn't online. You know, I figured I'd give, you know, people that enjoy Trey, you know, but missing there. He just went live. Oh. This is good to know. There he is. There he is. Oh, he's got the... He's got a shit ton of data on his console now. I'm here. Happy Thursday, everybody. We got unemployment data coming out in 30 minutes. We've got a heavy market, at least in the early going. You're a nice guy, Houston. You want the Beamer today? You're like, baby, I'm keeping Beamer today. I'm going to drop you off. Unless you want to take the Lexus. I don't like the Lexus. I don't like the way that, the seats don't adjust very well to me. And they're not heated as well. They don't hug me as much like the Mercedes. Or the BMW. All right.
comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Hey, hey, hey.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Dollar, dollar.
I'm ready. AT&T revenues miss. I see. I own some of that. Blackstone lower. Could be a fun day. Yesterday I forgot to bet. I forgot to call the bet on Q's. Oh, let me do that. We close below 319. Thank you for the reminder. Really got to watch Tesla? Why do we really got to watch it? I get to buy some when we open up. That's cool. I don't consider it a disaster. I consider it an opportunity to buy. Like they're still growing pretty strongly. Like I don't see it as a disaster. I see it as weekend shaken out. But I mean, if you're too big in Tesla, yeah, I guess it's a disaster. It could be. But generally, macro-wise, I mean, what's their market share? Like 62%. They've got you know, pricing power. They can drop prices. Like, I don't see it being a big deal. But that's just me. I tend to be a little bit more pragmatic. I suppose. I mean, we're just guessing numbers there, right? Why not 130? Why not 145? Why not 155? Like, you can't time markets. Just buy when it hits your price target. And sell when it hits your price targets higher. Don't let guesses prevent you from buying a good company.
No!
I see it up 1.5%. How much is it down on the year now? This isn't even the market. Just said the word blood. I mean, I think that's the problem. Is that, CNBC, pays people to be, what would you call it? Emotional, like over the top. And then so people go around repeating it. Like I don't understand how people can say that this is a bloodbath. Like, how about it's just a pullback? Like, how much was it up on the year before the pullback? Over 100%? Or close to it? Like, come on. All right, let me check out what else is moving the market today. Yesterday, we had KMI. Be curious to see what they do when we open up. They raised their dividend. I haven't really looked. Net income was up. Revenue was down on Kinder Morgan. Zion Bank had earnings after the bell. I did not buy at 31.32. I'll wait for 29.67 just because I've just been a little bit more cautious. As we kind of like, hopefully not bear flag. Hopefully we're just consolidating down here. But a little bit of risk there in the banking system. Alcoa had earnings yesterday after the bell. They're moving lower. We'll buy more at 37.21. IBM had earnings. Initially popped, been fading ever since, but still up. We'll open up higher than they closed. We'll buy more at 120.83. We'll look to sell some at 134.63 if we get there. The aforementioned Tesla moving lower. A catastrophe sell all the things. Tesla's going to zero. It's a disaster, a bloodbath. Blah, blah, blah. LVS. I did sell some LVS yesterday at 62.46. You can see it. You can see it here. I sold it after hours. It got a push. It got a surge when CNBC started talking about it right here. I missed the sell here, but then they got a surge. It was either here or here. I was watching it. I clipped it. I almost felt like I was willing it. I think it was here. I might have sold the high tick here. Because look at that tick. 62. The high was 62.47. I sold it for 62.46. I clipped it. I need to shore up. I need to edit up the click or the clip and save it. This morning, we had Rite Aid with earnings. Have Rite Aid's earnings come out yet? Oh yeah, they did. These guys are still losing a shit ton of money, but revenue was good. So, what the hell's going on with Rite Aid, man? Damn. It must be interest on their debt. Feels like these guys are going out of business. Fucking Rite Aid, man. Either that or they restructure. They file for bankruptcy and restructure. I mean, shareholders are going to get wiped out. That'll suck. I'm just looking at the numbers. Let's move on. It's depressing. AT&T had earnings. They're moving lower. I can't buy until 8:05 though. 18:05. Has it been that long since I've sold AT&T? I might just buy a piece whenever. Because it's been so long since I've bought or sold some. Just to keep just to keep reducing cost basis. American Express had earnings this morning. Looks like they're moving lower. Blackstone had earnings. And then Pool Corp had earnings. Sales and revenue. Sales missed. As did EPS here. They're still making a shit ton of money though. And last but not least, Taiwan Semiconductor last night. Feels like it's drifting higher. Up a little bit. After a good day yesterday. So nice to see that holding price. I am not watching any earnings after the bell today. Nothing on my list reports after the bell. All right. So that's what we're working with. Let's go around the horn here. Make sure I'm not missing anybody. On kick. Looks like I'm solid. All right, let me finish up Thursday, 420. What was my headline again today? Tesla hangover. Tesla hangover, question mark, exclamation point, question mark. When SPY 420. And then can I do this? Let's try this. Let's see if this works. Let's see if that works. I'm just curious if this works. It does work. Let's go. Got unemployment coming out. What did we have last night? Let's see. Japan. Foreign bonds buying foreign investment in Japanese stocks. 1.8 billion. Is that in yen? Imports. It's burnouts. It's burnouts, Trey. What do you expect? That's awesome. I had no idea you could do that. All right. That is out 8:30. I think this is important. Jobless claims coming in at 240 again. Philly Fed also came out. Need more than 300. So, nice little pop in the market there, but now coming back down. Let's see here. German PPI came in. Philly Fed. Philly Fed. Oh, that's just great. That's awesome. Existing home sales come out at 10. Unemployment data, U.S. unemployment data. Philly Fed. Existing home sales. And we got our 4-week. We'll leave that off the list. We got a tips. What the fuck? My dad is not updating on investing.com. German PPI was awful. Well, good if you're hoping for deflation, but they were expecting a negative 0.5 read. They got a negative 2.6 read. So those distortions are slowly working their way out of the system.
It's a trap!
Nest. Google owns Nest. Now I finish this. What's off the list now? Netflix. I can get. Land. There you go. Tesla hangover when SPY 420. Crushed. I need to come up with these. Plummet, crushed, bloodbath. Might be a heavy day. Oh, man. All right, I'm going to run to the bathroom. It's dead. That economic data came out. Markets have done nothing since. Can't wait for us to rip higher. I mean, the gap they'll try to fill the gap. We'll get to see who's in charge today pretty early on. Are bulls going to let it happen? Are bulls going to make it happen? Or are bears going to say, not today, bulls, not today? We will get to see. Did I not save this? There we go. Went SPY 420. Everybody was like 420 on 420. And I was like, All right. I kind of feel like this might be a good time to go short again, but I don't know. I need to see a break. Let me see here. Where's my SPY chart? Where's my fun SPY chart? Is this it? No, that's not it. I need to, you know what I need to do, guys? I need to save. I need to create this message center. No, I don't need to create it now. But I do need to save this freaking setup because it's crashed 3 times. What's today's date? 20th? 420, man. There you go. All right, I saved it. As this will be the new layout moving forward. Where I got my TV up in the corner here. People can kind of tune in and listen to what the experts have to say. I wish I could get Bloomberg up here. I mean, I know there's links and I could open it up in a web page, but there should be a better way. I want an RTMP feed of Bloomberg. Who's going to do that for me? How could I do that? I'm thinking. I had somebody reach out to me regarding he had a side project which just turned into it's just too much of a financial undertaking, but he was trying to set up some streaming, like a streaming system. Like he wanted to create a streaming platform, and he asked me to look at, what it would take to set up streaming servers, to receive streaming input and then output it. And it's there's a little bit of overhead. I'm gonna run out of bathroom, like I said I was. All right. Did that work? It did. I'll be right back. Who's blowing up my phone? All right. I'm back. Better spectator, good morning. How goes it? I'm here. I made a sandwich. That wasn't following me. Appreciate you lurking.
It will.
They will try to fill the gap. Whether they can do it 2 days in a row remains to be seen. I'll give everybody 20 minutes to get a prediction in today. Will SPY be above or below the VWAP? At 10:30. Imagine if I knew if we were going to go up. Like, imagine if I knew if we were going to go up or down, you know, from here. Like by the end of the day, were we going to be up from here or down from here? Imagine if I knew that and I told people on Twitch for free. That would be crazy. Right? Yeah. I mean, I appreciate the question. But I wouldn't tell you guys if I knew. But I will tell you this. Throughout the course of the day, The price will move up and move down and definitely to the right. He's Tony Stark. Well, he's not Tony Stark, but I think enough people consider him Tony Stark for him to think he's Tony Stark. And so, you know, he weighs in on a lot of things. I mean, he's a smart guy. At times, he's the richest man on the planet, right? And as far as we know, the richest man in the solar system. I mean, I guess we'll eventually know, but I say it's a pretty good chance he's the richest man in the solar system. But who knows? I mean, maybe there's ancient civilizations, other civilizations out there that have more money than Elon, but probably not. So I think a lot of people listen to him. And so that's why he's on the news a lot. He's like, you know, anytime that guy walks down the street and someone's writing news about him, right? I'm sure he would probably like to be left alone so he could focus on what he likes to do. And that is being a really innovative and smart guy. And not only that, but I think one of Elon's best gifts is that he knows how to spot people who are also innovative and kind of like on the same page as him. And he probably hires them and pays them good money. Right? I mean, that's the key. You can't do it all by yourself. You got to find good people who can help execute, who believe in your strategy, help you execute the strategy, and, you know, believe in you and what you're trying to do. Like, it just comes down to people. He's just really good at getting people to kind of embrace what he's doing. Yeah. If people love you and love your company, they will literally die for you. Right? And how much more output do you think you get from people who love your company versus somebody who's like, it's just a job? Right? And so that's how he does it. What did I just look at that I didn't like? So I can catch it down to 388. Yup. I mean, you solve that problem. You solve the problem where like people will literally follow you into a burning building. That's something good. So that's why that's why the guy is relevant. All right. We got 10 minutes to go until the opening bell. Ding ding. Or I'm sorry, 20 minutes to go. Let's see here. Let's see what's going on here. LVS having a good day? I already sold my piece. That's 62.45. This will ding me. Obviously, this will ding me. This will ding me. Next price target 65.59. Nice to see. I got a lot of inventory to sell because I bought all this. I bought all the way down in 2021. Not so much here. I was busy. I was busy with other things when this was happening. I wasn't streaming yet. This was a crazy time. I also had about half the positions I have now. I couldn't even imagine something like this happening with all the positions I have now. Volatility coming? Maybe. Maybe. I hope so. That would be nice. 1 billion cash flow, not good enough. 1 billion in free cash flow. You got to remember though that if someone bought 94,000 VIX options, someone sold them those VIX options. And who do you think's holding the money? The person buying those VIX options or the person selling them? I'm going to buy tea at the open, I think. It's been over 3 months since I last did a transaction AT&T. And so I think this move down will be a good time just to pick up another piece. The last time I made a transaction in AT&T was the 11th of November. So way longer than 3 months. This is their first earnings cycle since that 3-month window. So this is usually when I decide to pick up some more. So I got the order in for $18.68. Let's see if we get there. Starship flight testing this morning. Yay. Oh. There's that AT&T buy. Five minutes until the markets open here. Yeah. That's pretty much how I feel. I mean, I try to keep my mouth shut about it. You know, I try to just like bite my tongue. I mean, no offense, guys, but Boca Chica. Isn't Boca Spanish for mouth? What's Chica? Woman's mouth? Woman's mouth? Woman's mouth, Texas? Someone's launching a rocket out of Woman's Mouth, Texas? Why aren't people... Don't people see what's happening here? And why aren't there more protests? Two minutes to go. 2 minutes to go.
Ladies and gentlemen,
You know what time it is.
welcome to the main event.
It's main event time.
Let's get ready to rumble.
Market's gonna open up down here. NASDAQ 100 leading the way down. I kind of want to see it explode too.
Y'all ready for this?
Let's go. 420. A rocket launching in Woman's Mouth, Texas. Market's down. What a great day to be alive. Good luck, everybody. Great hunting. May your winners run. And your stop losses Stop short. There it is. Where did we have a delay? All right, let's get to work. Find a little Tesla here at 165.43. LVS, I already took care of that. Coinbase moving lower. A cannabis mortgage REIT. When was I supposed to buy ETH at? Put in an order to buy some ETHE here at 965. It's easy. I'll buy some Rivian here. I'm gonna buy some Coinbase. Coinbase has already bounced back. I can't buy Coinbase. All right, here comes the gap fill. Let's see how strong it is. Lowe's moving higher. Oh, there goes the rocket. There she goes. I'm so glad that really smart people have finally figured out that working for the government is not the way to go anymore, so that we can begin to innovate again. I mean, how many years of just advancement did we lose because there was just that transition period? Bummer. Yes. I mean, I think that was, I don't think they were expecting anything but no, I think the test, that's what they were trying to test. Thoughts on the internals? We're trying to fill the gap. Let me see here. Pepsi, recent high. I'll have to trail that. Ford's moving lower. I'll buy a piece of Ford here. Bought a piece at $11.61. GE, time to sell some GE. All right, I sold a piece of GE at $100.05. Oh, Ford, Pepsi, Lowe's. I did put in an order to sell some Lowe's. How's Lowe's doing? Lumen's moving lower. Put in an order to buy some Lumen here at $2.11. Did they just shoot and they shot it out of a woman's mouth too? Like Boca Chica is Spanish for woman's mouth. Lowe's moving higher on Robinhood as well. I like that. That means it's still moving higher. I'm going to sell a piece of Lowe's here. 209.95. Zion. I took care of all these other ones. A small mouth. But Boca is feminine. Boca. Boca Raton. I just know Boca because I know Boca Raton, which is rat's mouth. Chica. Rocket is shooting out of a teen woman, a teen's mouth, a female teen. Girl. How dare he? How dare he? Get some trend lines here set up as we try to fill this gap. Let's see how far they get. All right. Let's get some of these numbers in. Bought some Tesla. Bought that Lumen. Stock left. Tesla. Tesla 165.43. 2023 plus 1. Robinhood. All right, we'll buy the next piece of Tesla at 156.49. And we will look at when it's time to sell some at 174.37. Why didn't it print 174.37? Missed something? All right. How are markets? We rolling over yet? Ticks now pressing above the zero line. What are ticks? Stocks ticking higher versus stocks ticking lower. Of course they're going to say it was a success. I think they're going to come out and be like, this was a failure. We're fucked. All right, Lowe's. I took care of Lowe's. GE. Let me mark down GE. -1 TD. All right. 95.04 is where I'll buy more GE. A drop in the bucket. It's probably pocket change to Elon Musk. He probably has that much money in petty cash. All right, yeah, but what about the children, Houston? What about the children who were exploited to extract the natural resources to build that rocket and everything that went along with it? What about the children? Like I said, it's probably they can probably take the money out of petty cash.
How dare you? You have stolen my dreams.
Tesla, Rivian. Locked. All right. Rivian, Lowe's. Lowe's is locked in as well. I'll be getting those updates here soon. Good morning. I think Musk will be the first trillionaire man if X Space goes public. SpaceX. Trillionaire. God damn, how much? I mean, when Tesla's firing on all cylinders, like how much is he worth? Isn't it up like 200 million or 200 billion? Is that how much it is? $300 billion? Oh my God. First trillionaire. Dude. Dude, that's ridiculous. I don't know. I don't own any PPG. What is that? It's moving lower. What do they do? PPG Industries. They got a quarterly dividend of 62 cents a share. Paints, coatings, and specialty materials. So it's an industrial. Sounds like a good, boring company. The ones I like. I have a wish list. Is it on my wish list? It is not. Pays a dividend. I'm adding it to my list. What was that one I wanted to add to my list that was yesterday? I was going to buy that today. I'm buying that one today. Hold on. Stock. CSV. Funeral homes. All right, I bought a little CSV here. 2842. We'll buy more at 26.99. We'll look to take the first piece off at 29.85. Growth potential of funeral homes weak. More people on the planet. More people dying. Fucking geniuses. All right, I'm going to add that to my stocks list. Pays a dividend. All right. I am going to take Axum Therapeutics off the list. I sold that. Was that even on my list? Did I ever get it? Oh, yeah, it is. Go on. It didn't pay a dividend. I didn't really want it. I got it for free. Speaking of free, I got some into it yesterday. I see that alert for Applied Materials moving higher. It's 5% higher than I bought it. So I'll sell the first piece. $115. Yes. I sold a piece of Applied Materials here at 115.57. Amazon's moving higher. I'll sell a piece of that. I got what, 50 cents a head? I got 50 cents a headroom. Sold a piece of Amazon here at 104.96. We will buy more Applied Materials at 92.34. This is a Weeble buy and sell, so I'm a little bit more, what would you call it? Rick Santelli. Stocks are rolling over, but internals look good. It's another alert for Lowe's. Lowe's having a great day. Very nice. All right, Applied Materials, Amazon. We'll buy more. We're gonna buy more Amazon at 99.30, and we'll look to sell the next piece at 110.64. I can probably get rid of 89.23. Let's see. Yes. Yes, we can get rid of 89.23. Like I said, we'll buy it back at 99.30 if we get that low. Divergent internals. AD line continues to rise. Ticks continue on an uptrend. Let's see if we're getting... Let's see if we get an uptrend established here on S&P futures. We can stop by and look at... Small caps are looking good. After initially selling off, they've bounced back. NASDAQ 100, they're leading the charge higher, so they are buying. They are buying the dip. Is it enough? Is it enough? Is it enough? The oil drop. Let's see. QQQ's up. I think they're up from the open. Oil continues to sell off. Let's see. Amazon, Applied Materials, Lowe's. Let's see if those orders for Lowe's have gone through. Rivian. Oh, do I need to reload this? Oh. Rivian traded. I still haven't gotten the price. We'll wait. Lowe's. I can do this Lowe's. We'll buy more Lowe's at 198.82. And we'll look to sell the next piece at 221.08. I feel like I have to do something today and I'm forgetting to do it. Markets continue to climb. Mm. Oh shit. Awful, Jay. $17 alerts yesterday. I never jotted down the alerts yesterday. 17 alerts. How many trades did I make yesterday? Who remembers? If there is more downside, what would be my SPY target estimate short term? I haven't really thought about it because I don't care. Short term? I mean, I'd probably just follow the Fibonacci retracements from the highs to the lows. Maybe I draw another fib retracement from this low to this high, if that is indeed the high. But I mean, I don't think a new trend has been established yet. We still got a ways to go. I mean, we are breaking down. This wedge is breaking down here, but you still got this wedge here. Like, I don't set targets. Honestly, my next target for a buy is 406.10. Like, you can't, like, stop trying to guess where the markets are going to go. That'll just frustrate you. And no one can do it. Like, I just don't waste my time doing it. All right, they're still trying to fill this gap. Internals continue to improve. I've already had more alerts today than I had all day yesterday. Very nice. I missed it. That 2 days ago. Rent. Wow, look at rent moving higher. I'm going to try to sell some of that out of my sister's account. I want to get rid of it. Rent. Really? Oh, I already sold it. Very nice. Nice, I already sold it. Sweet. Gone. One, two, three. Yeah, I made freaking... Damn. Very nice. All right, we rolling over here. Let's go. Let's see. Can they do it? Buyers stepping in. There you go. Oh, man. Let's see if I've got... Need to. Truman, checking in. Hi, sir, on IG demo account right now and is going well. What trading platform do you recommend? It depends on how much money you're investing. If you're just investing dollar amounts, Robinhood. If you've got $10,000 or more, actually, you know what? It really just depends on how in the weeds you want to get. I would say, you know, even if you have a couple $1,000, Thinkorswim is the platform I use. IBKR has a good platform, but again, I mean, it's depending on your you know, your experience level. It might be too much tool, right? For what you're trying to do. If you're just buying and selling stock, I mean, a Robinhood might be good enough. Or like even an E-Trade account or a Schwab account. But if you want to run with the big dogs, Thinkorswim, baby. IBKR. I can't think of any other platforms. What other platforms? Trade Station? Don't you have to pay for that, though? IG. What's IG? You don't pay for Trade Station? Oh, there you go. Okay. Who does Trade Station clear through? I have Trade Station, Fidelity, Robinhood, Webull, and Thinkorswim. Fidelity is E-Trade now, right? I do have an E-Trade account. I just don't put any money in it. I had to open one to get the company when I used to work for a company and they went public, and that's who handled the handoff of the stock. They got E-Trade to do it. So I had to have an E-Trade account to get the stock, sell it, and then move the money into another account. But I have Robinhood, Webull, Stash, Thinkorswim. I didn't know Trade Station was an actual broker. Do they got an API? Just got an alert for Chipotle. Moving higher. It's the time to sell some Chipotle. Anyway, I hope that answers your question if you're still here. All right. IG demo account. Who is IG? Lowest cost interactive brokers. Okay, IG group. IG is interactive brokers. I've never heard anybody say IG. Oh, no, that's IG. Sorry. Hold on. World leader in online trading. IG looks like Forex. I don't trade Forex. All right, let me get over to Robinhood and sell some CMG. It's telling me it's 5% higher than I last sold it. Sold a piece for 1814. Actually, that's probably an old alert. Probably should have looked before I leaped. Let's see. Fuck me. Sell-off is moderating a little. Obviously, you still have this going on. So hard to argue against the gap fill when that's happening. All right, let's do initial balance. We've got the first hour of trading in the books. I thought I had snap 2. Jesus. It's going to be a little harder to get it done now that the first hour's under our belt, but they are pushing. $120. All right, there's a little breakdown in ticks. Let's see what they do with it. Ironic that it comes after we set initial balance. You now kind of have some guides for shorter time frame traders to play in. They will short the top of that box and try to push it down below that box. It also tends to be where other time frame buyers step into the market. Any move outside of that box, although with the gap down, other time frame buyers were already more active than they would be. But again, as the first hour of trading closes, we just get some more. We get more guidelines, more rails that help us establish momentum, which way the trade wants to go. Not much of a move down, even on that tick move. Not a lot of follow through on AD line or breadth. How do I create a that watches a certain website? Let's do this. Let's look at this still. All right, so now I need to pop this out. Boca Chica. Actions, bell strike, oh shit, I'm not gonna hear it. Oh, I like that. That's right. Move on. Pounds of thrust and payload. That's how I have my kids. That's how I have 2 kids. Or maybe it's pounds applied to make her stop moving so you could finish. Right? Pounds of pressure to prevent her from getting away. AD line still holding up. This is breaking down a little. Breath is the last thing to go, though. Like this, usually I work in this order. Ticks, AD line, breadth. So if you see ticks pushing lower, and it did break down this trend line, but there will be breakdowns in ticks along the way. All right, save. Has anybody ever written any Chrome extensions before? God, I love the internet, man. My brain hurts, like in a good way, when I realize that there is literally nothing I can't figure out how to do. Yeah, but I want to do it right. I feel like ChatGPT is going to create so much opportunity for people who know better. Like, you know how like everybody's just like, oh, this technology's gonna replace jobs and blah, blah, blah. I'm like, no, it's not. It's just going to create more jobs because But they cut dividend because they split. See you haters when you get there. Let me in the Discord. Pass them nuggets. You want to get in on the Discord? Fuck yeah. I didn't even know you were... Gladly, sir. You made it. You are officially a member. I'm also going to add you to the Twitch the Twitch group. I need to create a Google group too, a YouTube group. I'm basically using Discord as an extension of my CRM. I own some VZ too. Change build 75 billion cubic. What is that? Billions of cubic feet. Billions of cubic feet of natural gas. What is that doing? Oh, natural gas is now down 1% now, almost 2%. I mean, of course it's going to build now. This is the time it does build. Weather's nice. You want to see builds here. That's why I was like, I was actually surprised to see that this is the time of year when natural gas prices go up. I would have thought the exact opposite. Into it. moving higher. I just got a piece of Intuit. Do I own Intuit? I do not own any Intuit in my one account. Let's take a look at Intuit. This one pays a dividend, so I'll probably keep it around. Like usually I would just get rid of this position. Maybe at some point I migrate this over to March 31st. I tried to sell this before and it fell back. February 17th. Yeah. Plus 5, 420. That alert looks weird. 217 plus 2. I only bought one piece on 217. That's why I'm wondering if this alert's accurate. I'm going to double check it. Let's see here. I need to check. I just want to make sure I'm... Let's see here. 113, 112. Oh, I see why it says that. 2, it's a JCB. Plus 1, 2, 447.95.